Baby, what are you doing still up? Don't worry about whether you woke me up or not. Are you okay? You sure? I'm not gonna go back to sleep until I make sure you're okay. Don't lie to me, baby. I know something is wrong. I can tell something's wrong. You've been crying, baby. Yes, I can tell. I'm not stupid. I know you've been crying. What's wrong? What's wrong, baby? Talk to me, what happened? There has to be some reason you're crying in the middle of the night. You know you can tell me anything, right? It's okay. It's okay. What's wrong? I just want to know what's wrong so I can help you. What happened, baby? What's wrong? Talk to me. You just been overthinking a lot? What are you thinking about? Oh, baby, no. You know that's not gonna happen, right? I know you feel like it will. But you have to remember that your feelings are not always factual. Just because you feel like something is gonna happen or that something is gonna turn out a certain way, that doesn't mean it will. That's not always the case. We might think we have really good intuition when it comes to the future sometimes, but it's not always correct. These are just predictions, and these are just thoughts in your head. There's no confirmation that any of it is actually going to happen. But I will tell you that regardless of what happens, you're gonna be okay. And we're gonna be okay. Just remember that I'll always be here for you to love you and support you through everything, no matter what. Okay? Everything's gonna be okay, baby. It's okay. I know that there isn't much I can say to make the feeling go away immediately or to make these thoughts go away immediately. That's what sucks about the feeling of anxiety and overthinking and everything. Because, like, you can sometimes, there are times where you can be really self-aware of it. And despite knowing that these are just thoughts, and these are just feelings, and that there's no confirmation that things are gonna go to shit, you still feel anxious at the end, because your brain hates you and it sucks. I'm sorry that you have to deal with so much anxiety. It can really get really unbearable sometimes. I know you deal with this kind of a lot, so I just want you to know that I admire you for being able to push through it all and to be able to deal with it all. It can get difficult, but you're able to get through every time just fine. And I'm really proud of you for that. Everything's gonna be okay, I promise. We're all gonna be okay. Everything will be okay. It's all gonna be okay. I love you. I'll always be here for you, baby. I love you so much. It'll be okay. Everything will be okay. Baby, don't worry about that right now. You don't have to be sorry for waking me up. It's okay. I'm actually glad I got woken up for this. Because I want to be there for you when you're not feeling good, no matter what time it is. You don't have to apologize for anything. I'm very glad that I'm able to be here for you right now. Don't ever apologize or feel like a burden for asking for my help or getting attention when you're not feeling good. Whether you're feeling sick or anxious or anything, I always want to be there for you to help you, no matter what. Because you deserve to have someone to help you and be there for you. You deserve the best, so I'm gonna do my best to provide you with the best. Because you deserve it. You deserve the world. You don't deserve to go through your struggles alone. So I'm gonna be here for you, no matter what. And I'm not gonna leave. Don't worry about whether your anxiety is too much for me to handle. Don't worry about me. I'm not the main focus here. We're talking about you right now. I know I can handle it. I know I can handle helping you handle it too. It's okay. Even if this happens frequently, I want to be there for you every time. Can you promise me something? Promise me that you will not go through this alone. Promise me that you'll not make yourself go through this alone. Promise me that you'll allow me to be there for you no matter what time and no matter what I'm doing. Okay? I love you. Are you feeling any better? Is the anxiety still there? It's okay if it's still there. It's kind of normal for it to be. You feel a little better? You sure? Oh, that's good. I'm really glad to hear that. It's better for it to completely go away though, obviously. It's gonna be okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. You want cuddles? Okay, baby. I'll give you your cuddles. Come here. Come here. There's my pretty baby. You're so cute. I love you so much. You're so beautiful, baby. You're so precious. You're so precious to me. I love you more than anything. And don't you ever forget that.